Hi guys, it's Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Monday and Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you're like me, subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. As you already know from the title of this video, today I'm unboxing a new Coach bag, which I didn't plan to buy at all. And as you can see, it's not a mini bag. This bag went absolutely viral over the past few weeks. Everyone is talking about that. Not just the Coach fans. Some even called it New the Raw Margot bag. How could I resist? It's absolutely sold out online in the UK in all colors. I don't have any Coach boutiques near me. That's why when I was visiting Edinburgh for the Gucci store opening, by the way, stay tuned for a little Gucci shopping vlog. It's in the making just now. I couldn't resist and go to the Edinburgh Coach boutique. I didn't have my hopes high, but when I walked in and just straight away saw this bag on a display with a full charm situation, I'm like, oh my God, I just wanted to check it out. I wasn't planning to buy it. I just wanted to see this bag with my own eyes after everyone was talking about that. And then the guy told me, yeah, by the way, it's only 3 of them left in the UK. 1 here in Edinburgh and 2 in Birmingham. That's it. I'm like, give it to me. Immediately. It was immediate, yes. And I purchased this bag. I haven't opened it yet since I've received that, since I purchased that in the Coach boutique. So today is going to be a proper unboxing, and I'm going to reveal the bag not just to you, but to myself as well. This bag was from the display, so it might be some like a box or something like that missing there, but we're going to see everything now. Enough talking, it's time to unbox the bag. It's my very first purchase from the Coach boutique. I don't have any Coach bags in my collection, and I'm quite excited to add it on this brand to my collection, especially with that super hot bag. So let's open it and see. We have a beautiful brown ribbon bow here. Bam, bam, bam. And then, ooh, here we go. We only have a tiny little receipt inside the bag, but I'm going to reveal it and I'm going to tell you how much this bag cost in the UK after I show the bag itself. So we're going to put this massive carrier bag aside, and you probably already guessed what bag it is. We have this little satin feel like bag. Little dust bag there, so let's reveal it. Let's just unbox it. Bam, bam, bam. Voila. And here we have the hottest, the trendiest bag of this particular moment, and it's a Coach Empire Soft Carryall bag in the size 40. At the moment, Coach Empire Carryall bag is released in 4 different sizes: 26, 35, 40 and 48. The most popular sizes are 40 and 48. This one is a size 40, and I believe it stands for the measurement across of the bottom of the bag. There are different colors, and the most popular one is Merlot. And originally I was after the Merlot color. It's not just your regular one-tone deep red bag. No, it's beautiful ombre effect when the deep red color goes into kind of like a black situation on the sides, and I absolutely loved it, but it's sold out everywhere. That's why I had to go for the black color. And remember, I said in the beginning of the year that I'm not buying any black bags anymore. This is the promise I made to myself in the beginning of the year, because I do have too many black bags in my collection, and I just want to add different colors to my collection to make my collection more versatile, more vibrant and more interesting. And only this Coach Empire bag in a size 40 made me break my own promise to myself. And I actually thought just a couple of weeks ago, oh Maria, you're so good, you're keeping up this promise not to buying any black bags. And then I saw this one, I've been told that it's only 3 of them in the UK, and I couldn't resist. I'm holding this bag just now, and I can report, guys, it's a little bit heavy for myself. I can feel that on my shoulder and on my arms. You know, I'm not quite used to the big, heavier bags because obviously I'm a mini bag lady, and I usually deal with mini bags, which is like weighing anything between 300 to 500 grams. I'm going to do the full detailed review on this bag very, very soon, sharing my first impressions, what fits test, you know, weight, like I usually do. In-depth review with some watch shots. But let's have a look what's happening on the bag just now. You see this beautiful charms over here. I absolutely loved it. They come separately and they cost separately. Not cheap, I can report definitely. But I think it just elevates bag so gracefully. And I love that they add this New York, American story to the bag. The creative directors of Coach said that this charm is taking us through a story of New York. Big Apple, the yellow taxi, Empire State Building. I love it. And yes, I did mention that before, that I'm kind of like transforming from no charm, no extra accessories on my bag lady into the charm, twirly, little scarf on the bag, and so on and so on. So yeah, I'm going through that transformation just now, and I'm getting warmer and warmer to that beautiful styling detail that everyone is using on their bags just now. It's particular in fashion. You know, it's been existed for a really long time, but at the moment it's a particular in fashion. And I think those little New York charm looks absolutely gorgeous on the bag. Without that, the bag is just a bit too simple in my opinion. What else do we have here? We have a Coach gold embossing. It's small and very subtle. Then we have a fitties, yay! We have a 4 fitties, and at the bottom it actually says natural full grain leather. It feels really soft and nice, and the structure of the bag is actually not boxy at all. We can, you know, squeeze that like that. The leather is so soft and so smooth, so you can easily do anything like that with the bag. And over the years, the bag will actually start collapsing a little bit due to the overall weight of the noisy charms are going back here. So the bag will be collapsing over the years, but it will add more chic to the bag, more vibe to the bag of this slouchy bag. I think it's a great idea, and I'm actually intend to wear the bag by slouching it, by squeezing it, and taking advantage of all this soft nature of the leather. I feel like those charms are a little bit too noisy, and I'm scared they're going to come out too noisy on the mic as well. So that's why I'm going to remove them for just now. I'm going to show you how the bag looks without charms as well. That's what it looks like. I did say that it looks a bit too simple. That's what I thought in the boutique, but now I'm looking at it and I'm actually like this simplistic look as well, without the charms. Oh, you know, I'm already changing my opinion. So maybe I will change the opinion completely about the weight of the bag, and I would be like, yeah, actually, it's absolutely fine. No problem at all. I got used to this heavy bag. We have a zipped closure here as well, which makes the bag very secure. I believe inside we have removable and adjustable strap. I love this brassy look of the gold hardware. It's not shiny at all. It looks very aged and brassy. And here on those little hoops we have a Coach embossing as well. Easily added on to the bag. That's what it looks like with the removable and adjustable strap. I don't see myself wearing this massive bag crossbody, but I'm going to show you obviously in the full review how it looks crossbody as well in the mod shot section of this video. What else do we have inside? We have a pocket. large, massive pocket there. It's kind of like a micro suede lining, microfiber lining with a suede effect as well. And then we have, like I usually say, one big hole in the black color as well. The massive pocket with a button closure there, which is easy to operate, and the button closure is quite powerful as well. And then as a little addition, we have this Coach plaque with some this is a Coach bag. And it's a number of the bag, identification number of the bag as well. That's the first impression of this beautiful Coach Empire Carryall Soft Bag in size 40. What do you think about this? I need to spend more time with this bag because you can see I'm changing my opinion and my first impression about this bag throughout this unboxing video, you know. That's why I need to spend more time with this bag. I need to start using it just to deliver that, you know, full review and my full opinion, what I'm thinking about that. As I said, the leather is soft and gorgeous. The capacity is absolutely massive. Yes, the first downside, it's a little bit too heavy for me just now, but again, I just need to start using this bag to figure out, is it too heavy for me or it's absolutely fine? I can't wait to hear your opinion, guys, about this hot Coach Empire Carryall bag in size 40. Is it yes or no for you? Please share that in the comments below. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know where to find thumbs up, subscribe button, notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!